Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Dola AI calendar sync issues in 2026. If Dola AI isn't showing your latest calendar events, creating events correctly, or updating changes across your calendar, there may be a problem with the calendar connection or permissions. First, open Dola AI and check your connected calendar settings. Make sure the calendar account you want to use is still connected. If the connection has expired or been disconnected, reconnect the account by following the available authorization steps. Next, check the calendar permissions. Dola needs the appropriate access to work with your calendar. If permissions were removed or changed, the sync may stop working properly. If you recently changed your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account password, security settings, or account permissions, you may need to authorize the calendar connection again. Another useful step is to check your calendar directly. Open your calendar service and confirm that the event actually exists there. Sometimes the problem may be with the calendar itself rather than Dola. If an event appears in your calendar but not in Dola, refresh the connection or reconnect the calendar if that option is available.